Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, I hope you're all doing well. Qadr of Allah, I am not traveling to Uganda, as you can see. And I know we promised that I was going to travel there to ensure that the iftar parcels are delivered to our brothers and sisters in Uganda. But my visa did not come through. These things happen, and we, at the end of the day, are pleased with whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has decreed. But just because I'm not going does not mean that the aid shouldn't go. It will be going, and inshallah ta'ala, you guys can still donate. So for just £90, you can sponsor and help 3 families to have iftar for the whole month of Ramadan for just £90. So please keep sending in the donations and help our brothers and sisters. And inshallah ta'ala, just because I didn't go doesn't mean no one went. There's a whole team that is still on the way there. And here's a video of them at the airport. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm here on behalf of One Ummah Charity. We are flying to Uganda to distribute much needed iftar packs ready for Ramadan. A large amount of food parcels were donated by Task Force GLM. We'd like to thank all the donors, all the people that attend the Masjid, all the brothers and sisters that have donated to Task Force GLM, and we will make sure that your amanah is fulfilled. Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.